Targeting Rahul Gandhi, BJP Prime Ministerial candidate Narendra Modi asked if the Congress Vice President planned to guard the country's resources by allying with scam-tainted leaders and attacked Lalu Prasad for siding with a party promoting animal slaughter. Addressing rally at Nawada in Bihar, Modi said Gandhi's watchman would be Ashok Chavan, whose name had figured in the other scam, and Prasad.
किसानों को खेत में पानी मिला है, माताओं बहनों को सम्मान मिला है। भाइयों बहनों, 10 साल के बाद अगर दिल्ली की सरकार आपको इतना नहीं दे पाई तो ऐसी सरकार को सहना चाहिए, ऐसी सरकार को रहना चाहिए, ऐसी सरकार को झेलना चाहिए।
Bihar Chief Minister Nitish Kumar hit back at Congress Vice President Rahul Gandhi for questioning his developmental claims and manner of implementing social welfare works. Addressing a rally at Nawada, he said it seems Rural Development Minister Jairam Ramesh did not tutor Rahul properly on preparation of list of beneficiaries for social welfare schemes.
एक चीज है जो हम आपसे मांगते हैं, पैसा देना हो दीजिए, मत देना हो मत दीजिए, लेकिन बिहार को विशेष राज्य का दर्जा जरूर दीजिए, क्योंकि विशेष राज्य का दर्जा मिलेगा।
RJD Chief Lalu Prasad said the communal forces would be uprooted and claimed to win all 40 Lok Sabha seats in Bihar in the upcoming general elections. After kicking off his campaign from the party office in Patna, Lalu said that the electoral atmosphere is in favor of RJD Congress NCP alliance in the state.
सब जाति सब बिरादरी के लोग सांप्रदायिक ताकतों के खिलाफ गोलबंद हो चुके हैं और सांप्रदायिकता का कोई असर यहाँ होने नहीं देंगे। हम लोग देश को टूटने बंटने नहीं देंगे।
Aam Aadmi Party leader Arvind Kejriwal drew big crowds on the third day of his roadshow in the national capital on Wednesday as he ventured into East Delhi with local party candidate Raj Mohan Gandhi. Buoyed by the public response, Kejriwal hit back at Congress and BJP, who had been accusing him of running away from Delhi. BJP President Rajnath Singh slammed the UPA government at the centre for being corrupt and Congress Vice President Rahul Gandhi for mentioning central funds provided to Odisha. He also criticized Biju Janata Dal's 14-year rule in the state.
14 वर्षों से इस उड़ीसा में बीजू जनता दल की सरकार देख रहे हैं और लगातार 10 वर्षों से केंद्र में कांग्रेस की सरकार देख रहे हैं। यदि भारतीय जनता पार्टी को केवल 10 वर्षों तक सरकार चलाने का अवसर मिल जाता, बहनों भाइयों, हम उड़ीसा राज्य में किसी एक व्यक्ति को भी गरीब नहीं रहने देंगे। हम आपको विश्वास दिलाते हैं।
Congress candidate from Saharanpur, UP, Imran Masood, granted bail. He was arrested for his hate speech against Narendra Modi. Samajwadi Party candidate Narendra Bhatti booked for violating Model Code of Conduct. He was caught on camera instructing his supporters to capture booths to ensure 90% polling. BJP candidate from Bhagalpur, Shehnawaz Hussain, filed his nomination papers, showing confidence that he will win the Lok Sabha elections for the third consecutive time from the seat. He said NDA will form the government at the centre. He claimed that NDA will win all the 40 seats from Bihar. Union Minister of State for Youth Affairs and Sports Jitendra Singh and the Congress's candidate from the Alwar Lok Sabha seat today filed his nomination papers. Singh will be contesting against rival BJP candidate Mahant Chandranath, whom he had defeated in the last Lok Sabha election of 2009 from the seat. Coal Minister Shri Prakash Jaiswal filed his nomination papers from Kanpur. Talking to reports, he said Congress have only two main topics, good conduct and development. Jaiswal said he has straight fight with BJP and will not let it win in this secular area. Election Commission directed the Kheda election officer to take action against persons who uploaded objectionable and fake content on social media. The direction came after a complaint filed by Congress legal cell against some BJP leaders. Notification has been issued for the 7th phase of Lok Sabha polls to 89 constituencies spread across 9 states. Voting will take place on 30th April to decide the fate of political heavyweights like Congress chief Sonia Gandhi and BJP's prime ministerial candidate Narendra Modi.